What's the meaning of categorically? Categorically. Categorically.
Categorically. Categorically. Categorically means in an unambiguous, explicit, or unequivocal manner. It is used to describe a statement or action that leaves no room for doubt or ambiguity. When someone makes a statement categorically, they are asserting something as an absolute fact without any reservations or qualifications. This indicates a high degree of certainty and confidence. Categorical statements are particularly useful in debates or discussions where clarity and precision are important. By using categorical language, speakers can be sure that their message is clear and easily understood by others.